Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to install the WinRAR program, open RAR file extensions with WinRAR, and compress files using WinRAR. You can download the WinRAR program for free from its official website. To do this, simply search for WinRAR on Google and go to the win-rar.com website. Once on the homepage, click on the WinRAR download button and the download process will begin. After the download is complete, navigate to the location where you downloaded the file and install the program. To install, double-click on the downloaded file, click Yes on the prompted window, and then click Install on the subsequent windows. Once you click OK and Finish on the following windows, the installation process will be completed. Now that the program is installed, you can use WinRAR to extract files from RAR archives. To extract a RAR file, right-click on the file, choose Extract to Folder, and it will extract the file to the same location as a folder. You can save some space by compressing files using WinRAR, which is particularly useful when sending files via email. To compress a folder, right-click on the folder you want to compress, choose Add to Archive. In the window that appears, you can change the archive name if you wish. Clicking OK will initiate the compression process. If your file is large, this process may take some time. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in another video.